Have you tried background remover tools like Adobe Photoshop and found them too expensive or complicated? And for many times, it is not that user-friendly, and for some regions it's not available at all. What if I told you that there was an AI that could do the heavy lifting for you without the need for background remover software like Photoshop? Introducing VirtualLook AI, the fastest and most efficient AI companion you can trust to edit and enhance your photos. Wondering how it works? Don't worry, that's exactly what this tutorial is for. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how you can remove the background of any image of your choice using VirtualLook AI in just a few clicks. Step 1. Create a free account. The process is quite simple and takes only a few clicks to set up everything. Click the Sign Up for Free button right here. That will lead you to this page. Here, you enter your email and your chosen password for the VirtualLook AI account. Once you are done, you are greeted with this interface. On the left part, you have menu with links to the dashboard, product model generator, fashion model generator, favorites, and history. On the center to right, which is our point of interest, you have the fashion model generator and the product background generator with a few samples to show you how it works. Depending on the image you are working on, you can choose either of these generators, but for this demo, we would choose the product background generator. That should bring you to this page. All you have to do is drag and drop your image here. Once you drop your image, you can select the parts of the image you want to keep. The AI will highlight them in green on the left, and then your potential final result will show on the right. Once you have everything you need, just click on OK. The AI will work for a few seconds and voila! Your image will appear without the background that was there. On the extreme right of your screen, you'll find additional options. You have templates and prompts. Within the templates, you can choose various background options, including images or solid colors like white. If you are feeling more creative, you can use the prompt option to tell the AI what to put in the background. Like I just asked it to put the image in a lava background, but I'd reset that to a white one in a bit. Yes, that's also possible. And there you have it. All done and good to go. All this was done in a few seconds with just a few clicks, with no knowledge of design or use of Adobe products like Photoshop or Illustrator.